Hey everyone, Steve, back again. We're at the Chesterland Christian Church car show, Chesterland, Ohio. We're gonna have a little bit of everything from newer stuff to older stuff. We'll get on into it here in just 1 second. If you would, please take a second to subscribe, like, comment, share, check out some of my other videos, and we'll get into it right now. Got my little co-pilot with me today. The show generally brings, probably a good 200 to 300 cars. Might be should be a pretty good turnout actually today. Nice weather. Let's see, we got 285 for sure. That's 379 actually, so 379 cars for sure. Ford. Yeah, it's got a mini Ford Bronco figure. Yeah. That one's seen some things there. This show is once a year. 380 cars registered. That one for sale, no information. Maybe there is some information. I'll get that for you. In case anybody's interested. Small block. And some information. Pretty decent truck. If anyone's interested, fortunately no price. Another one for sale. Just the information on this one here. Very nice. See what they have on the sign here. In case anyone's interested. 56 Ford. Pack of Mustangs here. Yeah. All 302. Very nice. Yeah, 55 done up. Old school toil land cruiser.
Wonder where he is. I was gonna say this looks just like
A Rambler for sale, if anyone's interested. Number there for you. A little bit of information. Make that out at all. Yeah, the mannequin.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't like the mannequin.
You don't like it?
That's I don't know why I don't have somebody in their car. But that's weird. Hello, potty.
So BMW here. That out. Nice.
Oh, that's what it is.
Oh yeah, that's the path that we could take back.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Lead us right
Nice.
to the Jeep. Dad, and one could be in shade and it's gonna lead us right to the Jeep. That's gonna be easy, right there.
It's Woody. 50 Coyote motor.
all right, I'll buy you lunch. Good to see you. Yes.
You want to eat lunch now, or you want to watch?
Yeah, Mr. Margin, pleasure meeting you. Very nice. I will. She's very nice. She's had a home. All right.
Just have a little bit of everything.
And look at these two cars.
Yep.
I like these.
Yeah, a Viper and a Dodge Charger.
Ew. Look at the Corvette.
Yeah, Corvette.
Dinosaur.
Oh, I got the Raptor.
Raptor. The dinosaur house.
Out of the tires. Oh God.
I want to see more Corvettes. Look at the drag race car. The drag race car.
Oh yeah.
I remember when we went to the indoor car show. The indoor one.
Yep.
I like that one. Cause it had it downstairs. To get downstairs. We couldn't find the downstairs. Right there?
Yeah, buddy.
The food tent is officially open now. You can help yourself to food down there at any time. They will be serving all day, either until all have had their fill or we run out of food. Just a couple reminders, it is starting to get even warmer now. We do have cool down station. Still available in the church building. Just go to Dorsey at the south side by the garage. You get into Holy Warrior Sanctuary. Free water, either from the can deal yourself to those at any time. If you're just getting settled,
A little bit of info on those two.
if you're walking around,
Some
please
kind of line here.
so you can start voting for
Very nice.
your favorite vehicle. Voting for registered cars will be due by 1 p.m. Turn those ballots back into the registration desk.
Can we do that?
No, buddy, we can't do that. We don't have a car in the show. I think it's for just people that are in the show, but
Car and bike show Sunday, July 13th. That's tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's at 107th Avenue in Chardon. That's hosted by the Chardon Area Chamber. And we have the 12th
Corvette.
annual cruise in for
Corvette
Rainbow
right there.
Baby.
Yep, that's
That
Corvette
is
too.
July
Pretty neat
26th.
air cleaners in this
10
thing.
a.m. to 2
This one
p.m.
has a
up in
couple of
Menor,
things.
7588 Tyler Boulevard. If you want more information on those, we have flyers up at the DJ booth. You can get more information from us here. And just a little bit more about us here. Church services at Chester Christian Center are held every Sunday at 10:30 with Bible study at 3:30. If you'd like more information about our church family and how we do life here, ask any car show volunteer.
That looks like
or
a
your
Corvette, but
church
it's not.
No, no, not even close.
It's not even close to a Corvette.
I am the
It
way,
looks like
the
one
truth,
with that
and the life.
picture,
No one
but
comes
it's
to
not.
Father.
It's just the same one as this one. But
Yeah.
it's different colors.
I like the cars that have the nice signs that are all done up, made up.
I like the one with the shade. I like the shade. I like the shade color. What's that? No.
So you definitely get a couple more cars here from the typical weekly car shows.
I have a 99 grandma ticket. I love them. I love the big ones. We have favorite team grandmas. Yeah. Look at the bunker ones.
For that.
Big old boat there.
No, for that.
Oh, Scout. I got the Drax car. Pretty nice. A couple of these Scouts is done up nice. Wow. Don't see many of these around. At least around here, I should say.
Some of these are big.
Yeah, buddy.
Open up here to seek a Corvette. I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I was expecting.
Yeah, that's a Corvette again.
I was thinking about the logo on it. That might not be for that I think it is. No, it is for that. And miniature,
Oh, buddy.
miniature,
Yeah.
miniature, miniature. But look inside of it.
Yeah, I know, buddy. Remote control car.
Control car. The damn
Ford
car.
GT.
That's
Caught one of those at one of the
Same
shows
car.
so far, till now.
I like the Corvette. I like the Corvette side.
I'm looking short-handed right now.
Well, that's cool. You can
The Corvette.
yeah, that's what you got to do. You got to remember the Corvette logos, and then you always know what a Corvette is. Then yes, yep. Oh, nice Dodge Dart.
Corvette. Right there. Corvette. Right there. Corvette.
Yep, Corvette, bud.
That's definitely not a Corvette.
That's definitely not a Corvette.
If it
Like a-
was, that would be a cool Corvette.
Yeah.
Look at the Cyber Panther. It looks like a plane. But with the head.
Yeah.
That has a name. With the head thing. That feel like that.
Might have to.
Let's skip it some cars over here.
Yeah, we got those earlier. Biggest thing is the music that's played at a lot of these shows. They get you with the copyright, so it's a pain in the butt.
Look Look at
So-
a food stand.
Might go silent here.
Corvette? No. Not a Corvette or not. Because that's the logo over here. That's the logo. It's different one by smell. Can't see that logo, but Corvette! That's Corvette.
Yes. Yep.
We didn't see any more skateboard. So let's only see the flag one. I've seen the flag Corvette now.
It's a little Harley there.
Dude, that could be that motorcycle. That's a cool car.
Turbos.
That's a cool motor.
Oh yeah.
Very, very cool motor. Guys, we're not seeing any more Corvettes. But we're gonna see brown later in the video. Like the comment.
Like I said, if you get a second, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, share a video, check out some of my other videos.
And comment what you like in the show of the car.
Yes, you can comment on what you like in the shows. Another one for sale. We'll get some info here.
Corvette! No. Is this a Corvette?
Yep.
Has to say
It's Corvette. Yep.
That was dog logo. That was dog logo. Thank you.
Bunch of bugs flying around.
I have a dog logo now. I have a dog logo. I have a dog logo now.
Mm-hmm.
Two racing facts. One called you description.
It's a hot one today here.
I like the ones thing.
Got them packed all the way here in the back even.
People are packing their back like a thing. Coffee over here with the dinner head. That's what goes. These bugs.
Yeah, a bunch of those weird little bugs flying all around. Corvette.
Corvette.
He has mastered the Corvette.
Corvette is a Corvette. Corvette. Do I like that?
Yeah, pretty neat.
Maybe me. Corvette over
Next day,
there.
there's some conflict right
Something
out
different.
Oh, right there.
So I think somebody across the street from my plant phoned me in. But all I did was go like
Corvette.
150 yards, like big deal.
Corvette.
Yes, buddy.
Bunch of Corvettes here.
Oh, there's always the Corvettes.
People bring a bunch of Corvettes.
Oh, yes.
I like the Corvette. Now, stop. Here. The Corvette. I like when the hoods are open. The cool car.
Oh, yeah.
Guys,
It's always nice to see the engines.
Corvette over there. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
There. It looks like a limousine. Sorry, but it's a Corvette.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry. Not Lamborghini or Ferrari. Corvette. Look at that big submachine. Look at that machine.
GSX.
Right there. The big machine. Machine.
Yeah, rough crawler.
Fuck that. Corvette. Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, Corvette. Definitely Corvette. Looks like one.
It is.
Corvette. It's with that strip one. But not like just like only in the back one, but strip. Look at rock climbing. Look at the rock climbing.
I want to say we got this last little row, and that's going to be a wrap. The
Corvette.
Chesterland Christian Church Car Show,
Corvette.
Chesterland, Ohio.
Corvette.
Once again, please take a second to subscribe, like, leave a comment, share.
Right there.
Check out some of the other videos.
And shadow.
We might have another show that we'll stop in tomorrow in Charlotte, Ohio. So sure you check back, see if I end up going to that one or not for sure. We'll end it here on this last car that's for sale.
So
Anyone's interested. Like I said, that will do it
Corvette.
for this episode. Catch you on the next one.